Here we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with 20-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition just there. We also have the polar white metallic paintwork, along with the LED headlights, the Pan America front grille with the black Mercedes badge just in the centre. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel, yet again in excellent condition, just down there. Taking a step back, you'll find the side steps along the bottom, the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, the rear privacy glass for the passengers. We also have the sunroof up top, perfect for the summer days. Coming further down, we will find the third alloy wheel. Now, this vehicle does have front and rear parking sensors along with 360-degree cameras. We also have the dual exit exhaust just down there. We also have a power assisted tailgate which can be opened just like so. Now inside of here you'll find plenty of space for whatever you may need. We also have a storage net just there and a 12-volt connectivity. If we press this button just here, you'll find it closes just like that. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look at the fourth and final alloy wheel. And coming inside, you'll find a full leather interior. In the back, we have a foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO points. We also have the separate vents just there. We have the AMG floor mats. Onto the doors, we have the premium Burmester sound system, along with the brushed metal handle, the electric windows, and again, some more leather trim with the contrasting white stitching. In the front, you'll find the same full leather interior. However, these front seats are heated, electrically adjustable with the memory function. This can be controlled on the doors just there. Again, we've got the same premium Burmester sound system, brushed metal handles, electric windows with the child lock for the rear, electric power folding mirrors, bit of storage space just down there. We have the auto lights and the start-stop button just there. We have the multifunctional flat-bottomed steering wheel, the likes of cruise control and speed limiter just there. If we take a seat inside, put our foot on the brake and press the start-stop button, the vehicle will start up for us. And as you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now you can control this by pressing these touchpads, so you can see all these different options along here. So if we go into trip, you can see this vehicle has done 30,000 miles. You can also change it to the miles per hour. If you want to see all of the different styles and displays, please check out the pictures. For an example, let's just go into classic. As you can see, it changes the dials. Over here we have another touchpad for the main infotainment screen. We have two paddle shifters on both sides. Down here we have a stalk for the electrically adjustable steering wheel. Moving over into the main infotainment screen, this is also touch screen, so like we have the sat nav just like so. We also have the likes of phone connectivity just here, along with radio and Bluetooth and USB connectivity. Going back onto the main home screen, you see all these different options. So let's go into comfort. You'll find the ambient lighting to choose all of these different colours. You can also go onto the apps, go into smartphone, you'll find the Android Auto and the Apple CarPlay. Going over into the settings, you'll find the assistance, making this car a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down, you'll find the climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning. We also have some shortcuts for the main infotainment screen, along with a nice little compartment inside of here. We have the wireless charging with a Type-C USB port, two good-sized cup holders. This can be closed off like so. Here we have the different drive modes. So for an example, we have Eco, we have Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus and Individual. Also, if we put the car into reverse, you'll see all of the 360-degree cameras, which we can scroll between, just like so. Now over here we have the parking sensors button, the manual and also the auto hold button. We have a nice soft touch leather armrest which can be opened up for extra storage just inside of here. We have two Type-C USB ports. Up here we have the sunroof, which can be opened up if we just press this button like so. Now this vehicle does come with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals, free nationwide next day delivery. That is all I'm going to show you guys today. Thank you for watching.